Our body is a temple, but life stresses, diseases, and emotional burdens often take a toll on it. Whether it's chronic pain, fatigue, or mental stress, healing is not just about medicines, it's also about energy, mindset, and divine connection. Shiva, the supreme healer, represents the infinite source of energy that can cleanse, rejuvenate, and restore balance to the body and mind. But how can we tap into his power for healing? Stay with me till the end as we explore Shiva's guidance for physical well-being, spiritual healing, and how his energy can help you overcome ailments. Shiva, the supreme healer. Shiva is known as Vadinath, the divine healer. Legends tell us that worshipping him with pure devotion can cleanse the body of toxins and purify the mind of negative energies. But Shiva doesn't just offer miraculous healing. His wisdom teaches us how to maintain balance in our body and mind, so we can prevent suffering in the first place. In Ayurveda and yogic traditions, it is believed that disease comes from imbalance, be it physical, mental, or energetic. And who better to guide us toward balance than Shiva, the master of yoga, meditation, and healing vibrations? Shiva's teachings on healing the body. Shiva's energy works at multiple levels: physical, emotional, and spiritual. Here are 3 key ways Shiva guides us toward healing. 1. Detoxing and purification. Shiva consumed the deadly poison, halala, during the churning of the ocean, yet he held it in his throat without letting it harm him. This teaches us the importance of purification, removing toxins from our body, mind, and emotions. Drinking warm water with tulsi, honey, or lemon every morning helps detoxify the system. Fasting on Mondays or observing a simple Shivratri Upvas gives your body time to reset and heal. Bathing with salt water or taking a dip in sacred rivers is an ancient way to cleanse negative energy, just as Shiva resides in the holy Ganges. 2. Healing through sound and vibration. Shiva's Om Namah Shivaya mantra is not just a chant, it is a vibrational force that aligns your body's energy. Studies show that sound therapy can help reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and improve focus. Chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times daily for deep healing. Listening to Rudram or Mahamrityunjaya mantra helps clear negativity and invites divine protection. 3. Yogic healing, strengthening the body like Shiva. Shiva is the Adiyogi, the first master of yoga. His posture, his stillness, and his breath control represent complete mastery over the body. Practicing Shiva Namaskar, a dynamic yogic sequence, daily can improve flexibility, boost immunity, and reduce stress. Simple pranayama like Anulom Vilom or Brahmari, humming bee breath, helps release anxiety and improves lung function. Sitting in silence, like Shiva in meditation, allows your body to activate its self-healing mechanism. A Shiva healing ritual for ailments. If you are dealing with any physical pain or chronic illness, here's a simple yet powerful practice to invite Shiva's healing energy into your life. Step 1. Sit in a quiet space and light a diya or incense in front of a shivling or Shiva's image. Step 2. Close your eyes and visualize a bright, blue healing light radiating from Shiva and flowing into your body, removing all discomfort. Step 3. Chant the Mahamrityunjaya mantra with full devotion. This mantra is known to heal diseases, remove suffering, and bring longevity. Step 4. Place your right hand over the area of pain or discomfort and mentally seek Shiva's blessings for healing. Step 5. Offer water to a shivling and surrender all your worries, trusting that healing is already happening within you. Healing is a journey, not an instant miracle. Shiva's energy teaches us that healing is not always instant. It is a process of surrender, patience, and transformation. Whether you are dealing with a chronic illness, stress, or fatigue, trust that with the right mindset, right practices, and Shiva's blessings, you can move toward complete well-being. If this message resonated with you, I encourage you to take the first step today. Begin by chanting Om Namah Shivaya, practicing a Shiva-inspired yoga routine, or simply letting go of the stress that is holding you back. And before you leave, let me know in the comments, what aspect of Shiva's healing energy do you connect with the most? Your thoughts could inspire someone else's healing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, as it helps more people discover this wisdom. Subscribe to the channel for more divine insights, and share this with anyone who might need Shiva's healing blessings today. Om Namah Shivaya.